Good morning, students. We have completed the theory portion of the chapter 2, units and measurement, and now it's time to solve the exercise of the chapter. We will solve the exercise of the Ncert book only here. See the question number 3 of the exercise, Ncert book exercise, because question number 1 and 2 you can solve by yourself. And now to start the question number 3. See the question number 3 on the screen. See the question number 2.3. A calorie is a unit of heat or energy, and it equals about 4.2 joule, where 1 joule equal 1 kilogram meter square per second square. Suppose we employ a system of units in which the unit of mass equals alpha kg, the unit of length equals beta meter, and the unit of time is gamma second. Show that a calorie has a magnitude 4.2 alpha inverse beta minus 2 gamma 2 in terms of the new units. So this is our question number 2.3. So in this question it is given 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule, and where 1 joule equals to 1 kilogram meter square per second square. These are the given contains in the question, and you know that calorie is the unit of calorie, or joule is the unit of energy here. So we have to use the dimension of energy. So dimension of energy equal to ml2 T minus 2. This is the dimension of energy. So here, see, this is the question of conversion of quantity, physical quantity, from one system of unit into the another system of unit. So you know the formula for conversion. The formula is N2 equals to M1 upon M2 to the power A, L1 upon L2 to the power B, and T1 upon T2 to the power C. This is the formula which we have to use here. So first of all we need ABC. ABC are the exponents of mass, length and time in the physical quantity dimension. See the dimension of the physical quantity, dimensional formula of the physical quantity. The energy dimension is ml2 T minus 2. So here A equal to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to minus 2. So we have ABC. And now what about N1? N1 is given, that is 4.2. N1 is given 4.2 in SI system, 4.2 joule in SI, or you can say that MKS system. It is given. We have to find the value of N2. So let's describe M1, M2, L1, L2 and T1, T2. See, M1, M2, L1, L2 and T1, T2 are the sizes of mass, length and time in system of in first system of unit and second system of unit. So the first system of unit here is SI, and second system of unit is something new system in which the given units of mass, length and time are given, alpha, beta and gamma. So see here, M1 equals to 1 kilogram, L1 equals to 1 meter, and T1 equals to 1 second. And in the second system of unit, it is given in the question, M2 equals to alpha kilogram, L2 equals to beta meter, and T2 equals to gamma second. So now we have all the contents which are using in the formula. So let's put all the values here. all the values in the formula. Now N2 equals to N1. N1 is 4.2. M1 upon M2. M1 is 1 upon M2 is alpha to the power A. What is A? 1. Now M1 upon M2. M1 is 1. M2 is beta to the power 2. And T1 upon T2. T1 is 1. And T2 is gamma to the power minus 2. So finally N2 equals to 4.2 alpha to the power minus 1, beta to the power minus 2, and gamma to the power, see here, gamma it is in denominator and exponent is minus 2. So when it goes in numerator, it becomes plus 2. How? Because gamma goes in numerator with minus 1 exponent, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 2. So this is the exponent of gamma. So this is the numerical value of the energy in second system of unit. Second means the given system, new system of the unit of energy. So this is the solution of question number 3. Let's see the question number 4, or next question in this on the screen. See the question number 2.5. A new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. What is the distance between the sun and the earth in terms of the new unit if light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cover this distance? Here in the new system of length, the speed of light is unity. So you can write here speed of light in, you can write here in new system, new unit of length equals to, it is given unity means 1, so 1 unit of length divided by second, because it has no change in the unit of time, so we can write here second, but for length it is something new unit, so I am writing here unit of length. Here you can write new unit of length. So speed is 1, and the time taken is given 8 minutes 20 seconds. Is very important value. You should remember this value. 8 minutes 20 seconds is the time taken by the light to reach the earth from the sun. So you know that the formula speed equals to distance upon time. So distance equals to speed into time. First of all, you have to convert this into the second, because it should be in 1 unit, that is in SI or MKS. So 8 minute means 8 into 60 plus 20. So 8 6 ja 480 plus 20 equals to 500 seconds. So time taken is 500 seconds and speed is 1. So we have to find here the distance from the sun to the earth in new system of length. So distance equals to speed into time. Speed into time. Speed is given 1 in new system of length. Using the new system of length, it is 1 multiplied by time is 400. So it is equals to 500. Sorry, it is 500. So it is 500 new unit of length. So this is the answer for this question number 2.5. See here, now it is visible. So distance equals to speed into time, or 1 into 500, or 500 new unit of length. So now see next question, question number 2.6 on the screen. Question number 2.6. Which of the following is the most precise device for measuring length? The three instruments are given. A vernier calipers with 20 divisions on the sliding scale. B, a screw gauge of pitch 1 mm, 1 millimeter and 100 divisions on the circular scale. And C, it is an optical instrument that can increase length to within a wavelength of light. For this question number 2.6, first we have to see what is vernier calipers. With the help of this diagram, with the help of rough diagram of the vernier calipers, we will see how it works and what is the principle of the vernier calipers. Because without knowing this vernier calipers, we can't solve the given question 2.6. So see here. Also, we have discussed about the vernier calipers in previous lectures. Vernier calipers is the device or instrument which is used for measurement of smaller lengths. You know that the least count, we have discussed also about the least count of vernier calipers. It is 0.1 millimeter. So see how. See this is the vernier calipers having the two scales. One is the main scale. This longer steel scale is called main scale, graduated with the millimeters. It is graduated or scaled with the millimeters value. One division value equals to 1 millimeter. First important point about the vernier calipers: the main scale is divided in different sections, different divisions, and each division is equal to 1 millimeter. And the second one, this is the vernier scale. This window shaped. I'm going to describe you again. I'm trying here again. Smaller lines on this window. This opening window having also the scales, graduations, divisions, and called vernier scale. And these two, which is looking like to coinciding each other, these two are called jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. See, to come to the point. See here. These two jaws means lower jaw, when coincide each other, then coincide means when they meet each other, close each other, then the number of divisions on vernier scale is always one more than the number of division coinciding with this last division with the main scale. I'm repeating again. वर्नियर स्केल पे कुछ डिविजन्स बने हुए हैं, मेन स्केल पे भी डिविजन्स बने हुए हैं. When these two jaws means this upper jaw and lower jaw coincide each other, join each other, close each other, तो होता ऐसा है कि इसके जो 10th डिवीजन होती हैं, 10 डिवीजन टोटल इसमें हैं जनरली, जो आपको लैब में मिलेगी. इट हैज 10 डिविजन्स. तो इसकी जो 10th डिवीजन 10वीं डिवीजन होगी, it coincides with 9th division of the main scale. I'm repeating again. जो एक means vernier calipers you will see in the lab, it has 10 division on vernier scale, and the 10th division, the last division of the vernier scale coincides with the it coincides with the 9th division of the main scale. एक कम division पे वो coincide करता है. So finally, from this diagram, from this description, it comes, outcome comes here कि n+1 division of vernier scale, V is for vernier scale, n+1 division of vernier scale is equal to nth division of main scale. This is very important information about the vernier calipers, which you have to learn. n+1 division of vernier scale equals to nth division of main scale. Or you can write it in this way कि n+1 Vernier scale division equals to n main scale division. VSD Vernier scale division, MSD main scale division. So here, if you can write here, if n plus 1 VSD equals to n MSD, so 1 VSD 1 Vernier scale division equals to n upon n plus 1 MSD. First equation. And the least count formula, least count of Vernier calipers, VC for Vernier calipers, least count of Vernier calipers is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This is the formula for least count of Vernier scale. Vernier calipers, 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This line, this equation number 1 is also known as principle of the Vernier calipers. Remember this. This line means n plus 1 VSD equals to n MSD. This is the principle of, या ये कह सकते हो कि the n plus 1th division of Vernier scale division coincide with nth division of the main scale division. This is the principle of the Vernier calipers here. So from this equation, least count of Vernier calipers, least count of Vernier calipers equals to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, and 1 VSD equals to, from one equation it is n upon n plus 1 MSD. I think this is not visible, so I'm writing again. Here, least count equals to, what is formula? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, or 1 VSD equals to n upon n plus 1 MSD. Now I think it is visible on the board. So least count equals to, by solving this relation, n plus 1 MSD minus n MSD divided by n plus 1, or least count equals to, here n plus 1 MSD minus n MSD equals to 1 MSD only. So 1 MSD main scale division upon n plus 1. This is the least count formula for Vernier scale. This is a general expression, but when you get the Vernier calipers in laboratory, you will see this n. What is n? N is the number of division on main scale at which the n plus 1th division of Vernier scale coincides. मतलब in general n की वैल्यू होती है 9, है ना? n की वैल्यू होगी 9 और n plus 1 is 10. So finally, और ये भी मैंने बताया कि main scale division generally divides into the millimeter divisions. Each main scale division equals to 1 millimeter. So it is 1 mm upon, this is 9 plus 1 10. So 1 by 10 equals to 0.1 mm. So this is the least count of the Vernier calipers. So by this relation, from this concept, you can solve the next question. Let's see how. So in this question, the first instrument is Vernier calipers, and it is given 20 divisions on the sliding scale. And sliding scale means Vernier scale. There are two types of scales in Vernier calipers. One is main scale, that is fixed, and second one, that window shaped scale, that is sliding scale. It can slide over the main scale. So the first is the Vernier calipers with 20 division on the Vernier scale, and what is the formula of least count? Least count of Vernier calipers is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. And what is VSD? 1 VSD equals to n upon n plus 1 MSD. This we have discussed. So what is given here? 20 division on the Vernier scale. तो n+1 is 20 here. n+1 हमेशा याद रखो, the number of division on Vernier scale is always more than 1 than the number of division on the main scale, which they are coinciding. मेन स्केल और वर्नियर स्केल जब कोइंसाइड करते हैं दोनों जॉज को आपस में मिलाने पे, सो वहां पे होता क्या है, वर्नियर स्केल का n+1 डिवीजन मेन स्केल के nth डिवीजन पे कोइंसाइड करता है. और यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि द वर्नियर स्केल विद 20 डिवीजन, सो n+1 is 20. सो नाउ n इक्वल्स टू, एक कम कर दो, दैट इज 19. सो हियर 1 VSD इक्वल्स टू 19/20 MSD. आई एम रिपीटिंग हाउ. बताया मैंने कि वर्नियर स्केल पे जो n+1 डिवीजन होगी वो मेन स्केल के nth डिवीजन पे कोइंसाइड करती है. जैसे एग्जांपल बताया, 10th डिवीजन ऑफ द वर्नियर स्केल कोइंसाइड्स विद 9th डिवीजन ऑन मेन स्केल. सो मेन स्केल पे हमेशा एक कम होगा और वर्नियर पे एक ज्यादा होगा. एंड इट इज गिवन इन वर्नियर इज 20 डिवीजन. अगर वर्नियर पे 20 है, सो इट कोइंसाइड विद द 19th डिवीजन ऑन मेन स्केल. सो इट इज 19/20 MSD. So now finally least count equals to 1 MSD. A main scale division we have described. We have see here कि main scale division is 1 mm. So 1 mm minus 1 VSD. 1 VSD is 19/20. Let's solve first. After that we will put the value of MSD. So 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, that is 19/20 MSD. So least count equals to 20 MSD minus 19 MSD divided by 20, or least count equals to 20 minus 19, it is 1 MSD divided by 20. It is MSD is 1 mm. So 1 mm divided by 20, or 1 by 20, it is 0.5. It is 0 by 1. First convert into centimeter here. 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter divided by 20, और 1 ये हो गया 10 power minus 1 centimeter. और you can write here 100 into 10 power minus 1 divided by 20 into 10 power 2. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में क्या कर लिया है, 10 से 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. तो फाइनली 20 5 जा और 5 into 10 power, see here minus 1 and this minus 2. So finally 5 into 10 power minus 3 centimeter. This is the least count of Vernier calipers given in this question. And so equation number 1. In this question we have to see which instrument is more precise. And more precise means check करना है, इसका मतलब हुआ we have to see the least count of the devices. जिस डिवाइस की लीस्ट काउंट सबसे मिनिमम होगी, छोटी होगी, that will be more precise instrument. So the B here, it is given the screw gauge. The screw gauge least count formula. The least count of the screw gauge is equal to pitch. Remember all these formulas. Pitch upon number of circular division. Circular division. And in this question, pitch is given. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm divided by number of division. It is given 100 here. So divided by 100, or 0.01 mm, or equals to 0. Yeah, you can write here 1 into 10 to the power. ये -2 पहले से है, एक और बढ़ा दो, -3 centimeter. So it is 1 into 10 power -3 centimeter, and the least count of Vernier calipers is 5 into 10 power minus 3. See the calculation is correct. 1 mm upon 100 or 0.01 mm or 10 power minus 3 centimeter. So least count of the screw gauge is 1 in 10 power minus 3 centimeter. And the third instrument it is given. See in the question, it is not given about the color of the light, because all the color of the light have the different wavelengths. So it is missing in this question. It should be a visible light, or it should be a particular light. So you can solve this part, C part, by taking some different color, means a particular color. So I am taking here the color of the light having the wavelength is 6000 angstrom, which comes into the within the range of the visible light here. So wavelength optical instrument is given having the least count, magnification you can say here, that is up to the least count, up to the wavelength of the color. Which color? Suppose red color, near about कोई भी कलर ले लो जिसकी wavelength near about 6000 angstrom. Angstrom means 6000 into 10 power minus 10 meter. All these are in centimeters, so convert into the centimeter also. Centimeter convert करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? Multiplying by 100. So here 6000, ऐसे कर सकते हो, 6 3 zeros, 2 और 0 हो गए, into 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया हुआ है. So finally this is 10, sorry, this is minus 10. So finally 6 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. Least count of the optical instrument is 6 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. This was second. So from 1 to 3, you can see here the least count of optical instrument is, sorry, which one? The least count of the optical instrument is minimum, because it has 10 power minus 5. So it is more precise than Vernier calipers and screw gauge. So this is about the solution of this question. Particularly यहाँ पे discuss करना था about the screw gauge and the Vernier calipers, because for optical instrument it is not given for particular color. So you can take any color wavelength here. We are taking here the 6000 angstrom, which comes into the range of visible light. So this is about the question number 2.6. After that we will solve some more numerical by next day. Tomorrow we will see some more questions of this exercise. So also you can try some more questions from your Ncert book. Also try to solve the short examples of the book. Okay. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much and God bless you.